When people come in for a hearing test, they're often a bit unsure, sometimes nervous, sometimes just confused about what to expect. And that's why we take the time to explain everything clearly, listen without judgment, and make sure you're comfortable from the moment you arrive. During the appointment, we'll take the time to hear about your unique situation, learning about what prompted you to come in. The hearing test itself involves a few simple but important steps. We start by using a small camera to check the health of your ear canal and eardrum, just to rule out things like earwax or ear infections. We then measure how well your eardrum is moving, which can show us if there's fluid or pressure behind it. We test your acoustic reflex, which is your ear's natural response to loud sounds, along with an objective test of your hearing. After that, you'll wear headphones and asked to press a button when you hear different beeps at varying volumes and pitches. This will help us understand the softest sounds you can hear in each ear. We finish by testing how well you understand speech, both in quiet and with background noise, which is one of the most common challenges people face. All up, this gives us a really clear picture of what's going on and where the issue might be coming from. Once we've done the test, we'll talk about your results together with respect to your initial concerns. You'll walk away knowing exactly what's going on, what it means, what your next steps are, with no pressure to make a decision on the spot. We do it this way because we know hearing health is personal. You deserve more than just quick results. You deserve to understand what's going on, to feel supported, and to walk out with clarity and confidence. At Here With Me, we do things differently. We're independent, we're thorough, we genuinely care and want you to feel seen and heard. If you're struggling with your hearing in any way, or feel that something's not quite right, a hearing test is the first step to understanding what's going on and to take control of your hearing again.